So our topic for the project is Irregreat. Irregreat is actually a machine learning based crop prediction tool that we have made in order to predict the crops that particularly shall be grown on a particular crop soil. So these are the table of contents for our presentation. Introduction. Introduction is a crop prediction machine learning based project that we have created using Python. And this project shall basically predict the crop and fertilizer that shall be used or grown based on a particular sample of soil. So basically in our project, we have to add the contents of the soil in our project. So based upon that, a particular crop will be prescribed that we need to grow on that particular land.
So if we talk about the current system and its limitations, so right now machine learning is the most developed technology, and using machine learning in this project, we will develop the more crop predictions. And if I talk about the limitations, so right now it is not much used in this scenario, but in the future it will be more available. Proposed system and its scope. So right now, if we talk about the machine learning used in crop prediction, so crop prediction is also used by farmer to make decision about the plant and to make them more grow. So timely, accurate prediction at the crop yield is essential in this field, and global recognition and yield-based soil will be crop parameters. So these are the hardware and software requirements for our project.
So this is how we started with our project planning. We first analyzed what we wanted and we gathered some requirements. And then we started our project at the month 2. And then we started designing and implemented finally a project.
We'll be showing a live demonstration at the end of our presentation.
So limitations, we don't have the limitation of our project is that we can't help with pest and diseases outbreaks. Also, farmers in India aren't very well educated, so there will be some adaptation challenges that they wouldn't adapt to new technologies and everything, and there isn't also a lot of technological access because they not every farmer has a smartphone or something like that. And then the climate is also very diverse. There are extreme events like droughts, floods, and storms, which disrupt crop growth. The future scope is obviously that we could do remote sensing and IoT integration. We could have much more. We could use sensors that could provide data on soil moisture, temperature, and other things. Uh, Farmers could know about what prices are going out there, and they could get the best deal. And then we could use climate change adaptation also for extreme weather events. So this tool would be obviously very useful for the farmers and would provide good value to them. They could prevent crops from failing and eventually have more yield.
These are the references that we have referred in order to make our presentation and complete our project. Thank you. So this is basically the home screen of our Irregreat. So basically we have 3 module: crop recommendation, fertilizer recommendation, and we are still working on pesticide recommendation. So for this crop, we need to add the contents of nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, pH level, rainfall, temperature. So based upon this, a crop will be predicted as given. So this is the fertilizer module in which we have to add the contents. So for the crop, we are adding the contents. So based upon this, a crop will be recommended to us. So we should basically grow rice on our farm based upon that contents that we have added. Now for the fertilizer, we will be adding these information. That fertilizer should be added or it shall not be added. So this is actually the data that we have got, that there is actually no as such requirement for now to add fertilizers. And we are working on the pesticide module. Thank you.